Jai Shri Ram, Har Har Mahadev everyone. How are you all? I hope you are well doing, and my name is Vinu and I am from Uttar Pradesh, and as you know I am recording my day by day videos and share with you. And today is actually I am wearing two dupattas and one muffral also because here it's so cold dear, and my hand is like ice, so that I am wearing as many clothes. Can I show you? Okay, I will show you. First of all, this stall, it is very special for me because it's by my brother for me, so that it's really nice for me because feeling is matter, you know. And that is muffral, and this is from my uncle side, and he gives me, and this is my jersey, and I don't know what is the meaning of jersey in English, and this is my sweatshirt. It's already my brother, and it's not mine, it's my brother, okay. And after that I am wearing half t-shirt. It's not mine also, it's my younger sister, younger sister. And I am wearing jeans, and it's already not mine. It's mine younger sister, like little more than जो little है उसकी है ये. And shoes, it's mine, okay. And socks also mine, and this is also mine. So I hope you enjoy my mine words. And here is I am sitting in the sunlight because I feel so hot in this sunlight. Why? मतलब what happened? क्या हुआ बूची से? क्या हुआ? मर गया क्या वो? नहीं पागल, धूप में लिटा उसे. कहाँ है वो? छत पे. घर तुम्हारे? ठीक है, उसे आराम कर. दूध दिया उसे हल्दी में? दस्त लग रही है उसके, हल्दी लग गई है. हमारी जो दवाई दी थी आराम नहीं लगा उससे? लगा था आराम, तो उसे दवाई दे दे दस्त वाली यार. घर से ले जा ढक्कन में करके एक बार और. हाँ खत्ता ना. sorry guys, because here is some boys, मतलब he is my little younger brother, and like a neighbor brother, and he is always come with me and say my puppy is not very well, so please do something for my puppy, like that, and say hi like the. And here is my mom also. See, watch me what I am doing like that in this video. And mom, please stand up here, because my son on my face. Mom is go. Okay, so finally, so that you dog. And sorry, I introduce my sister. This is my younger sister, and how old are you? Please go and take it some rupees, and please come fast. After that I am introduce introduce my family, okay. And please don't mind this क्या बोलते इसको, this video, because I'm just speaking as a front of everyone, like that. If I am not everyone in front of everyone, so how can we speak? So that I'm just, and anyone watch me, what is doing sister, like that. And here is please come here. And here is this is my younger sister. And what is your name? Thakur. Same. You say please, complete sense, like my name is Thakur, like that, okay. And how old are you? Like I am 17, like I'm 14 years old, like that. So what is your, how old are you? I am 14 years old. Okay. And what is your standard? Like
I am 9.
I am nahi. I study in ninth standard, like that. You say like that. She is study in government school, and she is no idea how can say my introduce. So I am just write to, first of all I am write introduction after 4-5 lines. After that this practice, then she say front of you. Okay, say promise. Say I am try to my best. Say for my introduce, give for I will give my, I will give you my introduce in a best way. Okay, I will try, and I will say also, and I will do help, so that she already speak with as me as a friend of me, and as with me, and I'm already say, but she don't listen me in a carefully, and she always study just books, that's it. And here is some money, if you want take this, take it. Take? No, I'll not give you, it's mine. It's not mine, it's my uncle money, so I'll give my uncle that money. Uncle ji, take this your money, and bhabis give you. Okay. Okay, and so today is our day 18 of 21 days English speaking journey, and as you know, my only 3 days pending and almost complete my 21 days, and it's a very achievement for me, and I really don't do accept from my side I'm complete that, but I complete that. And any people like message me and they say keep it up, like you can do it like that. OMG, what a feeling that time. I feel so good and feeling very well, and I'm not stable right now, and I am just start with you, so and also with you. Okay. When I am not stop, when I am speak as a fluent speaker. Okay, so I hope you like it my videos, and also, and this is my this is my only just to English vlog. Okay, if I am just to focus on my just to etc, so how can we make that video? So I am just not focus any purpose, any things, so I'm just recording and share with you. So guys, I am wait, I'll understand शानवी, मतलब मैंने उन्हें समझाया. Please, sorry, I'm not speaking Hindi because it's just to not to my promise with you. I'm just speaking English with you as a friend of you. I take on my, I am promise on promise. So Sanvi, say you're introduced.
My name is Sanvi Thakur. I am student 9th class. I am 14 years old.
आपको शानवी से you were introduced.
My name is Sanvi Thakur. I am student 9th class. I am 14 years old.
Yes.
I live
in
Uttar
Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
That's it for today, and if you want to see coming on my English vlogs daily, so please do comment, and also one like our YouTube videos, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel if you want your journey share with me. So please bye bye, love you, take care, Jai Shri Ram. And one more thing, I'm also include one name in my journey and my habit, like that, Radhe Radhe, because today I started my Naam Jap, and I am continuously take with the name Radha 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 Radha. like that. Or I'm
Same.
already share my sister and she is already take this name, and please don't judge this name, only just to take this name on your feelings, okay? Because it's very necessary. If you are not taking your feelings with this name, so it's not necessary for your life, okay? So like that I am saying Radha 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 Radha. OMG, what a feeling! Like if you are you saying a song like that, if you are connect with your feelings, so you feel calm and peace and mindful relax. So I thought I'm taking this name and again and repeat at you day by day, and I'm already share with you in this journey as in future. Okay, I hope you like it my videos, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye, take care, love you, Jai Shri Ram, Radhe Radhe, Har Har Mahadev. Say bye, Shanvi.
Bye.